The BMW M6 is back in 2025, and it's better than ever. Welcome to Rust Automobile, where today we take a deep dive into BMW's flagship coupe, the 2025 BMW M6. Combining jaw-dropping power, precision engineering, and luxurious comfort, this car represents the pinnacle of BMW's performance lineup. Whether you're a longtime fan or discovering the M6 for the first time, stick around to find out why this might just be the ultimate performance coupe. The 2025 BMW M6 is a masterpiece of modern design and engineering. Its unmistakable front end features BMW's iconic kidney grills, now slimmer, more angular, and finished in gloss black for a bold, stealthy look. Complementing the grills are slim laser headlights accented with blue detailing, which not only contribute to the car's aggressive stance, but also enhance nighttime visibility. The front bumper has been redesigned with larger air intakes, cooling the powerful engine while improving aerodynamics at high speeds. From the side, the M6 exudes athleticism. Its sculpted lines and flared wheel arches emphasize muscular proportions and highlight the car's dynamic character. Standard 20-inch forged alloy wheels enhance both style and performance, while optional 21-inch wheels with performance tires offer a striking visual upgrade. The coupe's sloping roofline and aerodynamic silhouette ensure this car looks fast, even when it's standing still. At the rear, the M6 continues to impress. A carbon fiber rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips underline its sporty DNA, while OLED taillights incorporate BMW's latest lighting technology for improved safety and striking visual appeal. The lower, wider roofline enhances the car's stance, emphasizing its track-ready nature while maintaining elegance. Step inside the 2025 BMW M6, and you're greeted by a cabin that effortlessly blends luxury and functionality. M Sport seats wrapped in premium Marino leather provide just the right balance of comfort and support, ensuring long drives and spirited cornering are equally enjoyable. Available in classic black or eye-catching two-tone designs, the seats also come with optional heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Starting at approximately $127,000 for the coupe and $137,000 for the convertible version, the 2025 M6 offers incredible value in the high-performance Grand Tourer segment. Fully loaded with premium options and performance upgrades, the price can exceed $150,000, positioning it competitively against rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT and Audi RS7 Sportback.